Minecraft You're Not Connected to the Internet error, PC. This error usually appears in Minecraft Launcher, Microsoft Login inside Minecraft, online features not loading. Quick fix, try first. 1. Close the Minecraft Launcher. 2. Restart your PC. 2. Reopen Launcher and log in again. Works for many users instantly. Full working solutions. Hatchfan 1. Check internet, basic but important. Open browser and test websites. Try switching Wi-Fi, Ethernet. Sometimes it's actually network instability. Stasher 2. Reset network settings. Open command prompt and run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Restart PC after this. Narf 3. Check Xbox and Microsoft services. Minecraft, Bedrock plus Launcher depends on Xbox services. Restart services, Xbox Live Auth Manager, Xbox Live Game Save, Xbox Live Networking Service. Same issue as Xbox app errors. 4. Reset Minecraft Launcher. Go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps. Find Minecraft Launcher. Click Advanced Options, Reset. 5. Repair, reinstall gaming services. Open PowerShell admin and run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Reinstall gaming services. 6. Update Microsoft Store apps. Open Microsoft Store and update. Minecraft Launcher, gaming services. 7. Disable VPN proxy. Turn off VPNs. Minecraft plus Microsoft login often fails with VPN. 8. Fix date and time. Go to Settings, Time and Language. Enable automatic time. Incorrect time blocks authentication. 9. Change DNS advanced fix. Set DNS to 8.88.8, 8.8.4.4. Improves connection to Microsoft servers. 10. Reinstall Minecraft Launcher. Uninstall Minecraft Launcher. Reinstall from Microsoft Store. Hidden cause. Most people miss. Your Windows firewall or antivirus may block Minecraft's Xbox services. Fix. Allow Minecraft Launcher, Xbox services through firewall. Pro tips. Always keep gaming services installed. Use official launcher only. Avoid cracked versions. They break authentication.